Imagine finding a way to harness the electricity in your home or business that's usually wasted. Well, you may be looking at it. New at 6, News Channel 5 Steve Hazlip talked with a local man who claims he's found a way for folks to save money on energy costs and appliance repairs, all while helping the environment.
When 60-year-old Jerry Johnson opens this electrical panel, he's opening a whole new way to use energy.
I don't take any credit for any of this at all. I give it all to God. Because without Him, I couldn't have done it.
What he's done is capture electric current that normally would cost the customer.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it too good to be true? That was my first reaction.
Alan Richmond is an electrical engineer who admits Jerry is onto something big.
What I managed to do is to find the way to bring the lost power that's usually wasted, bring it back to the grid and recirculate it in the system.
He says that helps machines run smoother, longer, and cheaper.
He smoothed it. And we can do this over and over and over.
And it's not just this fast food restaurant in Pleasant View using the energy saver.
This Sonic here in Ashland City is the latest business to try the energy conversion box. We couldn't take our cameras inside, but I did look at the unit. It's about the size of 2 shoeboxes stacked on top of each other. The owner here swears by it.
I can't imagine it not being a nationwide thing. I plan on having one at every one of my locations as soon as they're under production.
Johnson's now in talks with investors and potential manufacturers as the handful of his homemade devices now being tested are working.
Proving it. It has worked over and over. 7-day on, 7-day off trials in this facility. You talk to a Sonic manager who liked it. It's worked on homes in this vicinity. We have the data.
If all goes as planned, this energy saver may soon be mass-produced for customers worldwide, thanks to a self-proclaimed Tennessee plowboy in Cheatham County. Steve Hazlip, News Channel 5 HD.
Introducing the Powerhouse from Blackhawk Energy Products. Developed over years of R&D, the Powerhouse stands alone in the world of green energy products. Delivering savings on utility costs, increased equipment life, and reduced maintenance expense, the Powerhouse conditions and protects your electrical system, including your heaviest loads. Meet Jerry Johnson, the inventor of the Powerhouse from Blackhawk Energy Saver. His 40 years of electrical experience led him to the patented process that we have today.
When loads come on, the voltage fluctuates. It fluctuates. And what you have to do is take this fluctuation out and maintain the same voltage between your phases. And if you can correct this here and maintain it for every time something comes on or something goes off, keep the same voltage and keep it strong there, then of course your electric bill is going to go down like we've shown across this country. I've worked on this for over 6 years, trial and error. I spent a lot of time doing this, and I tell you, I've enjoyed doing it. And with me, it's all about giving back and trying to help someone. And I think that is important to be a good steward for our Lord and give back. I really do.
Joe Ford is the Director of Maintenance for Robertson County, Tennessee government.
The Powerhouse handles all of our HVAC units, 20-ton, 10 to 20-ton units in the office complex. It handles our elevators it's in the office complex. It also handles all of our hot water pumps that produce from the boilers. And then it handles several other sub-panels in the building. These two were the most of the load. That's the most of the load in this office complex. And it has done a world of good for us. It made our elevators run faster. It made our pump motors run a lot cooler. They dropped on average 22 degrees. It made our lights a lot brighter in the building. The big thing is the ballast. We have not changed the ballast in this building since October of 2011. That was a weekly occurrence until we installed the Blackhawk. Well, my demand has dropped on the utility bill, which in turn drops the monthly cost. Our cost was anywhere from $14,000 to $15,000 a month, and in his last 3 bills we have, it's been $10,000 100, 10,000, 200 is steady. So that's a big savings. And that's just a bonus for us. Well, since we added the 2 panels and the results that we have off of the first 2 were so good, we have added 4 more panels in our new jail and our old jail. With 15 buildings that I oversee, I'd like to have 1 in every building I have.
You go in and you look at the areas of what you can help the most, you can treat the most. You go into a building, you want to look for your biggest loads. You target the area that's going to do the most good. Powerhouse will help just about any application, whether it's a motor load, whether it's air conditioned, whether it's lighting boards, control boards, computer systems. It will help on the maintenance side, the longevity of your equipment. Low voltage, fluctuation voltage, and lightning is a huge nightmare for these people. And so far, we have corrected a lot of that.
Many clients are realizing the benefits of the Blackhawk Energy Saver. Comparing energy bills before and after the installation of the Powerhouse from Blackhawk, we see that this customer saved 27.2% on their energy costs. It's not just commercial businesses, it's industrial and residential customers too. Positive results and satisfied customers. That's the bottom line with the Blackhawk Powerhouse. Homes, commercial buildings, and industry all benefit from the savings when you install Blackhawk into your system.